Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk to you about using your glue. So when it's time to use your glue, you want to open it. I can tell it's closed because there's a white dot and no space. So I just twist the orange until I can see that space and the white dot is gone. Sometimes I go 1, 2, 3. Now what I want to do is add 4 dots near the edges but not touching the edge. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. Then I'll turn this over, put it on my paper, and hold. Kind of pushing the glue like that. Now that looks really, really nice. I can't see any glue, and it's definitely going to stay. Here's what not to do. If I do those dots of glue really big and right by the edge, 2 things I should not be doing, and I put it on my paper and I push, oof, there is glue all over, and that does not look very nice. So we don't want to have glue all over our projects. If it's just a little bit, we can wipe with our fingers and rub our hands together really fast to make that glue go away. If it's a lot, you might use a paper towel for that step. But I just rub, rub, rub until that glue comes off, kind of like magic. So remember, dot, dot, not a lot, just like this one. When we're done using our glue, we want to twist it closed so there's no space and that white dot is back. So I twist it, and then I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to get rid of any wet glue at the top and then rub it together like this. And that'll make it really easy for the next people to use. No glue will get dried on the top. All right, good job. Thank you.